In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Ohio State. If you received a traffic citation and want to take care of it quickly, most courts in Ohio let you pay online through the statewide portal. Start by opening your browser and going to ohioticketpayments.com. Some cities and courts run their own payment sites, so if your ticket points you to a different web address, use that instead. Otherwise, the statewide site is where you'll handle everything. Once the page loads, you'll look up your case. You can search in a few different ways, by case number, by ticket number, or by entering your name along with the court. Take your time and type the information exactly as it appears on your citation to avoid typos. Next, make sure you select the correct court or county connected to your ticket. That narrows the results and helps you find the right record. When you're ready, click Search and review the matches carefully to confirm you've opened the correct case. After you've located it, review the violation details and the total fine amount shown. This is the best moment to double check the date, location, and any identifiers so you know you're paying the right ticket. When everything looks correct, proceed to payment. The site accepts major credit cards and debit cards. Enter your card information carefully and verify the billing fields before continuing, as errors can delay processing. Before the final submission, the system will ask you to agree to a plea. By paying online, you are pleading guilty or no contest and waiving your right to a court hearing for this citation. That choice can affect your driving record and may influence your insurance rates. Read the statement on the page in full and only continue if you agree to those terms. When you finish, submit the payment and wait for the confirmation screen. Don't close the tab too quickly. Save or screenshot the confirmation and receipt so you have proof of payment. If the site offers to email a copy, keep that for your records as well. Hold on to these details until you see the payment reflected with the court. That's the entire process. Visit the portal, find your case, review and pay, accept the plea, and save your receipt. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you resolve your traffic ticket online with confidence.